BCD codes. BCD codes is nothing but a binary coded decimal number. Binary coded decimal number. BCD or binary coded decimal is representation of a decimal number in a binary form, in a binary number. In binary coded decimal, each individual decimal number, in decimal number is 0 to 9 only. Each individual decimal number is converted into a binary number. By combining them, all the BCD code is generated. Any single decimal number, that is 0 to 9, can be represented by a 4-bit pattern. All 0 to 9 decimal number represented in 4-bit binary pattern. Advantages of a BCD code: it is very similar to the decimal number. We need to remember binary equivalent of a decimal number 0 to 9 only. Now these are the BCD code of equivalent decimal numbers. So 0 and its equivalent BCD 0, 0, 0, 1. For this 3, the equivalent BCD is 0, 0, 1, 1. For 6, 0, 1, 1, 0. 8 is 1, 0, 0, 0. And 9 is 1, 0, 0, 1. Now convert 358 decimal into equivalent BCD. 358 decimal. Now 3 is 0, 0, 1, 1. 5 is 0, 1, 0, 1. And 8 is 1, 0, 0, 0. So this is equivalent number of 358 BCD. Now one more example. 4527 decimal and convert this decimal into equivalent BCD. 4 is 0, 1, 0, 0. 5 is 0, 1, 0, 1. 2, 0, 0, 1, 0. And 7 is 0, 1, 1, 1. So convert each individual decimal number into equivalent binary number, 4-bit binary number. So the answer for 4527 is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 in a BCD. Now access 3 code. The access 3 code or access 3 is a non-weighted code. You can add 3. You can add 3 to each 4-bit group in a binary coded decimal number, or you can add 3 in a BCD number, so that we get a desired access 3 equivalent number. Now BCD code used to represent the decimal number. Find the access 3 code of a given binary number by using the following step. Find the decimal number of a given binary number. First you convert binary to decimal. Then add 3 to each digit in a decimal number. Now find the binary code of each digit of a newly generated decimal number. See here the table of BCD. After adding 3, we get a access 3 number. Now decimal number 0, its equivalent BCD 0, 0, 0, 0. If you add 3, 0, 0, 1, 1. So access 3 of a 0 decimal is 0, 0, 1, 1. 4. The equivalent BCD of 4 is 0, 1, 0, 0. Add 3 so that we get access 3 code. So the output of 4 decimal is access 3, equivalent access 3 is 0, 1, 1, 1. Now 7, 0, 1, 1, 1. Add 3, 0, 0, 1, 1. So equivalent access 3 code for 7 is 1010. For 9, 1001 is the BCD code. Add a 3 in this BCD, so we get access 3 code is 1100. Now some examples on access 3 code. Convert 45 decimal into equivalent access 3. So this is your 4 and 5 and add a 3 in each digit of a BCD number. So we get access 3 code. 1 plus 1 0 carry 1, again this 1 plus 1 0 carry generated carry 1, again 1 plus carry 1 is 0 carry generated 1. This 1 0 plus 1 1 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 0 1 and 0 plus 0 0. So the access 3 of 45 decimal is 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0. Now one more example, 45.68 in convert this into access 3. So this is your 4, 0 1 0 0, 5 0 1 0 1, 6 is 0 1 1 0 and 8 is 1 0 0 0. Add a 3 in each bit so that we get access 3 number. 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 1. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 1 plus this carry 1, 0, carry generated, 0 plus carry 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry generated, again 1 plus 1, 0, carry generated, again 1 plus 1, 0, carry generated and 1. So 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1 and 0 plus 0, 0. So the 45 access 3 is 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 point 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. This is access 3 of 45.68. Now ASCII code. ASCII code is acronym for the American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ASCII is a standard that assigns letters, numbers, and other characters in a 256 slot available in 8-bit code. The ASCII table is divided into 3 different sections. Non-printable system code between 0 and 31. Lower ASCII code between 32 and 127. This table originated from the older American system which worked on a 7-bit table. Now higher ASCII code between 128 to 255. This portion is programmable characters are based on the language of your operation system and programming you are using. Now ASCII code is a 7-bit code where EBCDIC is an 8-bit code. So ASCII code is more commonly used worldwide while EBCDIC is used primarily in large IBM companies. Now these are some codes. In ASCII codes, we use all 26 letters, 10 digits, and all alphabets, symbols, all are used in the ASCII code. Now letter A, small a, and its ASCII code is 097. And its equivalent binary 011000001. For say D, for capital D, its equivalent ASCII code is 068. and its binary is 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. These are the very few ASCII codes here I am taking, because total ASCII codes is 255 in all alphabets, small letters, capital letters, all digits and symbols available on your keyboard. So these all are the ASCII code.